How the barrier moves. These two work together. Switch 1 off, switch 2 off. Hold to run mode. Barrier moves only while you keep pressing the button. When release the button, the barrier stop. Switch 1 on, switch 2 off. Semi-automatic. Press once the barrier fully opens or closes. Switch 1 off, switch 2 on. Automatic close. Press once the barrier opens, waits, then closes automatically. Switch 1 on, switch 2 on. Auto Plus always closes. Like automatic, but if power fails and returns, barrier closes automatically after 5 seconds. Most common use. Switch 1 off, switch 2 on. Automatic close. Switch 3. Condominium mode. On. Step-by-step works without stopping. Cannot stop midway. Off. Normal mode. Leave off unless used in apartment condo systems. Switch 4. Step mode type. On, open, close, open, close. Off. Open, stop, close, stop. Off is most common, gives stop function. Switch 5. Pre-flashing light. On. Flashing light blinks for 5 seconds before movement. Off. No pre-flash. Good for safety, usually on. Switch 7. Close immediately after photo clear. On. If photo sensor is clear, barrier closes immediately, no waiting time. Off. Normal pause time works. Useful in busy parking areas. Switch 8. Safety photo during opening. On. If photo beam is blocked while opening, it stops. Off. Photo only works during closing. Usually off unless special safety required. Switches 9 and 10. Traffic light, courtesy light mode. These control output lights. Switches 9 off and 10 off. Gate indicator plus courtesy light. Switches 9 on now and 10 off. One-way traffic light. Switches 9 off and 10 on. Alternate traffic light 2 directions. Switches 9 on and 10 on. Red-green light. Use only if traffic lights are installed. Otherwise, leave off. Switch 11. Discharge mode. On. Special test mode, faster open, close. Off, normal use. Keep off for normal operation. Switch 12. Photo test. On, photo test active. Off, normal 24V output. Usually off unless technician is testing. Switches 13 and 14. Test, programming lock. Switches 13 off and 14 off. Test mode. Switches 13 on and 14 off. Not allowed. Switches 13 off and 14 on. Not allowed. Switches 13 on and 14 on. Programming lock saves settings and locks them. A normal working. Usually on lock settings after setup. Simple recommended settings, normal parking use. For normal automatic parking barrier,